going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman with Paramount Property Investments. About a single family, 2-bed, 1-bath property in the city of Akron. We're out actively looking for houses to buy in the city of Akron. So if you have a property that you think you might want to sell and you want to sell it quickly without paying real estate commission fees, closing costs, or fixing up the property, definitely give us a call. As you can see, this property definitely needs some work, and that's okay because we do buy properties and fix them up so you don't have to. So if you would like a cash offer for your home today, give me a call directly, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website for more information, www.investparamount.com.